Welcome to this tutorial on how to seek a job on Seek.com. Seek.com is a leading online job portal that connects job seekers with employers. To get started, go to Seek.com and click on the Job Search tab. First, enter your desired job title and location in the search bar. You can also use keywords related to your job search to get more relevant results. For example, if you are looking for a marketing job in New York, type marketing in New York in the search bar. Once you have entered your search criteria, click on the search button to view available jobs. You can filter your search results by factors such as job type, industry, and experience level. This will help you narrow down your search and find jobs that match your skills and experience. When you find a job that interests you, click on the job title to view the job description. The job description will provide you with more information about the job, including the job responsibilities, required skills, and salary range. If you are interested in applying for the job, click on the Apply button. You will be prompted to create a Seek account or log in to your existing account. To create an account, enter your email address and password, and fill out your profile with your education, work experience, and skills. Once you have created your account, you can upload your resume and cover letter. Make sure your resume and cover letter are tailored to the job you are applying for, and highlight your relevant skills and experience. After you have uploaded your application, you will receive a confirmation email from Seek. The employer will also receive your application and may contact you for an interview. Best practices for seeking a job on Seek.com include tailoring your resume and cover letter to each job, using keywords from the job description, and applying for jobs that match your skills and experience. It is also important to follow up with the employer after you have applied for a job to express your interest and inquire about the status of your application. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your chances of finding a job on Seek.com. Remember to stay positive and persistent in your job search, and do not be discouraged by rejection. Keep applying and eventually you will find a job that is right for you. In conclusion, seeking a job on Seek.com is a straightforward process that requires some effort and persistence. By using the search function, filtering your search results, and tailoring your application to each job, you can increase your chances of success. Good luck with your job search.